Hello and welcome back to my channel. In this tutorial we are going to learn how to use the measure tool in the SOLIDWORKS. You can find the measure tool in the evaluate tab. I am not finding the evaluate tab in the sketch toolbar. For this, just right click and go to the tabs and check the evaluate. Now you can see the measure tool. In the preview you can see the measurements of the edges. You can measure the area of the any faces, the radius of the curves, lengths, distance between the two faces, and angle between the edges, and many more. Here is a selection area. Let's measure the angle first. Select these two edges. Now in the report you can see the angle. 32.57 degrees is the angle between these two edges. Simply clear the selection. Now let's measure the radius of this curve. The radius is 9.99 mm and other dimension parameters are shown in the dialog box. Just clear it. Now let's measure the distance between the faces. Now in the report you can see these are the parallel faces, and normal distance between them is 101.7 mm. In this way you can measure the distances. Now just select this point. You can see the coordinate of this point x, y and z from the origin. Again clear it. Now let's measure the area of this face. Select this face. Now you can see area 1016.96 mm square is the area, and perimeter, the addition of these edges lengths is 223.39. In this way you can use the measure tool in the SOLIDWORKS. It's easy. You can practice by creating any solid objects or your existing object. Thank you very much for your time.